Hello, everyone. Have a blessed day to all of you. And here is my partner. Actually, here in Ontario, we had a big snowstorm. They hit us like this, and we have no nothing to do, just to clean up and wait until the storm is done. So my partner is shoveling while me is here helping him to cleaning the backyard here and while I'm doing my videos. So here is my husband, my partner. He used the bulldozer to clean up the mess, the snow. Easier because you can't hold the coldness in here in Canada. It's been so bad. Like we have to cover everything our body and triple or four times of your clothes inside.